gallons of water. How many everything small and large?
Say hi, not good night.
That goes from little chromis all the way up to a giant. 20 different species. 300 species. That's like the ocean suspended in the moon. You have 24 hours this thing? We have a team of 100 taking care of customers and fish. About 30 of them are back of house, and at any minute of the day, like just with the stocking density we have and the amount of food going in, we got the largest group of sand tigers on Earth in this tank. So the control is just, that's the first challenge.
Sand tiger sharks that display a mouthful of sharp teeth is shut. They're known to have a very low reach. Because of that, they're becoming increasingly rare.
So we have to organize feeding, and we have to give particular animals particular cues to tell them that they're going to eat now. So it's like a lunch bell.
Like how?
Yeah, just like that.
That's cool. Yeah, that is pretty cool.
Are you getting shot at yet?
This massive aquarium spans 3 stories in the mall and features many opportunities to enjoy the view and experience it. On the top, guests can explore the water surface by riding glass-bottom boats, scuba diving, feeding fish, and walking through a virtual shark tank in the Discovery Shark Week exhibit. On the second floor, you can enjoy a balcony-level, full-scale view of the aquarium. And on the first floor, visitors have access to an underwater tunnel that runs parallel to the main front panel for a more to the look.
Tunnel that goes through the tank of this place. Let's see.
Wow! Look at that guy. Dude, this is cool. The tunnel, everything going over it. Look at his seam joint, huh? Wow, this is one of the longest tunnels.
It's 50 meters of tunnel, so we've got a total of 4 pieces, and each piece is constructed by 3 lateral pieces.
Why do the sharks like to stay up on here?
Yeah, look, the sharks kind of settle into different areas. We've got sand tigers down there, sand grey reefs down that end, and they just sort of pop out, do a few laps, and then go back.
They have their own little homes, which is cool, huh? That is cool. So what do you got up the top side? You gonna show us some more?
Yeah, look, we got the surface of this tank, there's a lot going on the top, and then we've got 42 other displays.
This is crazy. This mall is also home to the world's second largest crocodile, a fish hospital, and they're doing something that no one else in the world is doing with sharks. All right, what do we got?
We're going to show you what's your next task.
All right. This looks like a science lab.
This is a science lab. Meet Dr. John Daly.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you. He's a scientist who's slowly cracking the code for Shark AI. Shark AI, as such, is artificial insemination. When you have a species that is reproductively challenged, they're slow to reproduce, and they're also endangered, we intervene with assisted reproductive technology. This is a one-of-a-kind lab. He's a one-of-a-kind scientist. He's actually successfully produced AI sharks.
What actually happens in this lab?
What we do is we assess sperm samples that we collect from the males, but we're also able to freeze them down and bank them. The genetic samples that we get from the sharks here get stored in liquid nitrogen over here.
So this is right here.
It is.
How cold does that get?
Minus 196 Celsius. That's nearly minus 400 Fahrenheit.
Pretty cold. So once you guys freeze it, it'll last inside the cryo chamber.
DNA is stable at those temperatures forever.
Oh, definitely.
Indefinitely.
Now, 100 years ago, you have the pups of a male that existed 150 years ago.
The sharks that we're working with here, the sand tiger sharks, one of the most threatened shark species in the world. In particular, the population on the east coast of Australia is critically endangered. Those guys are down to around 1,500 individuals in the wild, which is really low. And sand tigers that we've got here at Dubai is a really unique opportunity to learn as much as we can about that species, to then be able to help to breed these sharks in aquariums like this, and then maybe take some of that information that we learn from that population in the wild.
That's pretty awesome.
That's the science, but there's a little bit of grunt work to do to get to the science. So you boys are going to come and help me pull these sharks out of the tank.
What? Pull sharks out of the tank?
Yeah, well, how else do you get a sample?
Tonight on a new My Cat from Hell.
Salem
What you do to your
is
hair?
rammed in a corner right now. For the cat that beats the hell out of everybody else in the house, he's got that sort of unconfident vibe. That's a lot of missing Salem.
Then on a new Wolves and Warriors.
See a wolf dog walking around here?
Oh, what? Looks just like a wolf.
I can send a drone up.
Send it out. We're here to take it to sanctuary.
My Cat from Hell. New tonight at 8. Followed by a new Wolves and Warriors at 10. Animal Planet Go.
I'm Jimmy Dean, and I wish I could tell you how I feel about a morning like this. And that includes a good hearty breakfast. You need something to kind of warm the whole body up and get it going. It's a great way to kick off your day.
Fact is, there are over 9,600 roads named Park in the U.S., America's most popular street name. But all state agents know that's where the similarity stops. If you're on Park Street in Reno, Nevada, the high winds of the Washoe Zephyr could damage your sighting. And that's very different than living on Park Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, where ice dams could cause water damage. But no matter what park you live on, one of 10,000 local Allstate agents
Alright guys, I'm gonna
knows
leave
yours.
this here. I will
Now
live
that you know
stream a
the
little
truth,
bit later.
are you